For question number 1, y is directly proportional to the positive square root of x. So y is directly proportional to the square root of x, the positive square root. So when x is 9, y is 12, x is 9, y is 12. First, we need to find k. K equals to 12 divided by 3. K is equals to 4. Then we're going to rewrite the equation. Y is equals to 4 square root of x, because we replace the k. Then we're going to use this one here. Y is equals to when x is equals to 1 over 4. If you want to use decimal places, or you want to use decimals, you can. 4 square root of 0.25 is also not a problem. So square root of 0.25 is 0.5. There you go. Next one. V is directly proportional. You have to pay attention towards the words that are given here, because a lot of students will jump and say, oh, V and this. You need to read this. Look at the first question as well. If you're careless, you will see y is directly proportional to square root of x, not x. Because a lot of students, they read this, y directly proportional x. You cannot do that. All you need to do is read the questions properly. The first sentence, most of the time, is the most important one. So V is equals to directly proportional to the cube of R plus 1. R is equals to 1, V is equal to 24. 24 is equals to K 1 plus 1 cube K 2 cube. K equals to 24 divided by 8. K is equals to 3 because 2 cubed is 8. Rewrite the equation V is equals to 3. R plus 1 cubed. Now we need to put it when R is equals to 2. V is equals to 3. 2 plus 1 cube. 3. 3 cube. 3 times 27. V is equals to 81. Great. Next one. Y is directly proportional to the square of this. So find K. Y is 63 when X is 4. Rewrite your equation when X is equals to 6, Y is equals to 7. 6 minus 1 square, Y equals to 7, 5 square, 7, 25, 175. Right. Y is inversely proportional. So you can write it, if you want to, you can write it like that if you want to, just to understand the question. But if you're immediately jumping into the question, you can write this. Inversely proportional means K is the numerator and the other data will be the denominator. X equals to 1 when and Y equals to 2 when X equals to 1. Two plus 1, 3, 3 squared, 9, K is equals to 18. Okay, that's it. Because this is where the question ends. Write Y in terms of X. Y in terms of X. So just let it be like that. This is the answer. Too much question. P is inversely proportional to square of this. P is 2 when Q is 2. Now you need to rewrite because he asks us to find the value of P when Q is equal to -2. So rewrite the equation no, 72, sorry. Let's see. 72 divided by 4. 18, my bad. Question 6. The number of hot drinks sold in the cafe decreases as the weather becomes warmer. What is the correlation? What correlation does this statement show? It means that drinks sold up, okay? Drinks sold down when temperature goes up. It means that drinks sold is inversely proportional to the temperature. Or I can just say negative correlation. X varies directly to the cube root of y. X varies directly to the cube root of y. So x equals to 6 when y is equals to 8. Rewrite your equation. X is when y is 64. Next, y varies directly with this. One you can put in the bracket. When y is 4, x is equals to -1. Rewrite and then cause a circular partial C, where very square of the radius, so C is equal to K square of the radius. When C is 202.80, R is 2.6 square, K is equal to 202.80 divided by 2.6 square. 202.8 divided by 2.6, 30. Rewrite. C is equals to 30 R squared. C is equals to when R is equals to 1.8. 97.2. And that's